guys, it is day 5 for the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I feel like every time I say this is day whatever, you kind of get it because the title says so. However, I do like to say it just to remind myself when I'm editing. So anyway, today is the final day of looks using this palette. I'm wearing kind of this off, like a nudie pink kind of top and leggings, and this chenille like crimson colored sweater, like a duster type of sweater. It's so comfy and cozy. Anyway, so my makeup is not going to be super, you know, over the top for that very reason of colors. So, and plus I'm working from home today. I don't need to dress up and make myself look super fabulous, but I am heading out to an appointment. So I am going to apply just a little bit of makeup just so it look a little bit more presentable and put together. I'm just going to apply primer really fast. I haven't done any of my face. It's one of those days where I'm just going to do a tad bit of concealer and I'm going to call it good because I have a little bit of a blemish here, and then I think there's one right here. I'm not wearing my glasses, which means I'm blind, so forgive me for blindness because hello. Anyway, so I can't remember what looks I've already done using this palette. I know I did the purple look the other day and kind of this orangey brown or orangey warm colored one, a blue look, and I feel like I've done kind of a lighter neutral one, but I'm gonna go a little bit more neutral today than ever before. Actually, I don't want that brush. Today I'm gonna do Sugar High, this color here. I'm gonna apply that over the lid. I don't think I've used that color yet. Actually, I'm pretty sure I have not used this color yet, and it's a copper color, which works for what I'm wearing. That'll go on the lid. About 75% of my lid, the inner corner being left naked. I like the word naked. It's fun to say. There's no special skill I'm using to apply this, just FYI. Just on the lid up towards the crease. When they aren't even, that's okay. That's what blending is for. Alright, now I'm gonna blend. And I think I'm gonna use a color to blend this out just a little bit more. So for that handy dandy ginger ale, you see a theme with this color. It's just a nice peachy color that makes everything look nice. If you're super fair skin, this will be much darker than your skin tone. In the summer times, I'm more of a medium skin toned person. So this would work better in the summer when I'm a little darker. Let's see, let's add a little bit of outer corner color. Let's do Cola Float, not Coca Float. That warm brown, just a little bit here. Add a little bit of matte depth in the outer corner. I don't know why I'm doing sound effects like this. In the inner corner, I'll use tonic. I use this one a lot too. It's great for an inner corner highlight. There we go, inner corner highlight finished. Bottom lash line, I'm going to take root beer, the darker brown, and just smudge a little teeny tiny bit under the bottom lash line. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do for my eyes. I'm going to take some mascara, of course, and apply that, and then do all the other fun stuff to my face. I'll be back in a minute to show you the final look. I'm back. As you can tell, duh, right? I finished up with mascara. Didn't do anything else to the eyes because it's a simple day for me. And then I concealed, blemish. That's it. No gloss, nothing else. No highlighter, although I feel like I should maybe add some highlighter. What do you think? Should I add some highlighter? I always should add some highlighter. You talked me into it. What can I say? Little bits here. I am not using a mirror. I'm just going off of what I think. I like when you can do makeup and you don't have to look in the mirror for it. So if it looks super shiny in one spot, then, oh well, I'll fix it in a second here. Nope, I applied my highlighter perfectly. No mirror challenge, accepted and won. Booyah! I sound like a gamer, which is not a bad thing, I don't think. Is it a bad thing? No. Okay, so that's it. I don't know why I started speaking in a high-pitched voice, but it was a little annoying to me. If it annoyed me, then I'm sure it annoyed you. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below what palette you would like to see me do 5 days, 5 looks, same palette kind of series with next. I have a ton, so go check out that last video. It is up here in the card somewhere. I've got a lot of palette, and I've got a lot of creativity, and I've got a lot of patience. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day and stay electric. Mwah. Bye-bye.